In this video, I'm going to show you how to allow or don't allow avatar and nickname changes in Game Center. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up your settings, hit on Screen Time, and then hit on Content and Privacy Restrictions. After that, hit on Content Restriction, and at that step you may be required to enter a password before that screen of content restrictions will opens up, and next there scroll down to Game Center section and there hit on Avatar and Nickname Changes. Now there you can change that option between allow or don't allow. I will left allow. You can change that to don't allow if you want, and basically that is all about how to allow or don't allow nickname and avatar changes in Game Center. So don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.